Hello everybody and welcome to PRSD Tech Tips. I'm Mr. Bart and today we're going to be going over uploading a file to Google Drive. If you would like to know how to share files through Google Drive, I just did a tutorial on Google Docs and that will show you exactly how to share files. It shows you through Google Docs, but the nice thing about Google Drive, it's the same throughout. So the same steps you take to share a document, you would take to share a file. And I'll do a quick how do you do this at the end anyway. If you have a specific request, please let me know. sbartholomew at prsd.org. I will be happy to help you create for you a custom tutorial to show you what you need to do to make all the tech work as best as it possibly can. So I would highly recommend using Google Chrome whenever you're uploading something to your Google Drive. It makes it a lot easier. It allows you to drag and drop. You can do it through other web browsers like Safari or Firefox or Internet Explorer, but it's just a lot easier when you're using Google Chrome. Obviously Google wants to make it that way because it's its own. So if you go on over to your Drive, again, I'm signed in already, and if you need help with that, I've created previous tutorials right here, and I'm going to go just to the Drive. And here we are. This is all mine. Yours is going to look a lot different. This is just how I have mine set up. I probably should clean it up soon, and I can easily do that by moving stuff around, but that's not for now. Alright, so if I want to upload something to my Google Drive, I just click here and upload file. The reason I say it's better if you have Google Chrome when you're uploading is, say I wanted to upload a folder like this one right here, it's not going to let you do that if it's not Google Chrome. If it is Google Chrome, yes, it will. But it's another way Google's trying to make you use their product. For this example, I have some nice, I'm going to hit the space bar on a Mac to preview this nice drone footage of the school. Pretty cool shot here, nice snowfall and what have you. So I want to upload that. So I can just hit open and it will start the upload. The other nice thing about using Chrome is if you have something on your desktop, you can simply drag and drop it in. Quick side note, I would highly recommend using the school's internet connection. School has great internet connection, upload and download. This is 170 megabytes, and if you don't have really fast connection at home, it can take some time. So I did promise, even though there's a previous video on how to share this, because right now by default it's only my user that can see it on Google Drive. So I'm going to right click and share, and by default it's only shared with me. I can get a shareable link, but if I haven't said Google allow somebody else to see this, they're going to get something that says you don't have access. So I'm going to click on advanced, and you can see private, it's only I can access it. I'm going to change that. I could certainly invite people if I knew everyone right away, but I'm going to make it so anyone at Pentucket Regional School District with the link and can view it and save. And then when I share that, I could copy this link and send an email just using my regular email to some colleagues, or if I wanted to say, I guess my building principal, I could send him this and notify him and add a message all through Google. So it really is your choice, but making sure that anyone in the Pentucket Regional School District can view it, and they would need the link to view it. But then, as long as Mr. Seymour is logged into his Google account, his school Google account, he'll be able to access that. And that will be true of anyone with a @PRSD account, including students. I hope you found this helpful, and I appreciate any feedback you have.